Hello friends, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College, Pune. Standard 8, Mathematics. Lesson 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. Practice set 6.2. Hello friends, welcome to Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. Today we are going to start with practice set 6.2. Let us start to factorize x cube plus 64y cube. Right here we can see here this is a binomial which are here you have first and the second term both are cubes, right? We are going to add the cubes. So to factorize them we are going to use the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now this formula we had learned in the last video, and now we are going to apply the formula to factorize these algebraic expressions. Let us start with it. Now here we have x cube plus 64y cube. Here this can be in the formula. Now we know the formula. Let us see the formula. We know the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, right? This is the formula we are going to apply to factorize the algebraic expression given here x cube plus 64y cube. So here we have x cube plus 64y cube. But to factorize here, this is given in the both the terms are in the cube form, and we will have to find out what is a and what is b here. So what is a here and what is b we will have to find out. Here x cube can be represented by x the whole cube, right? Whereas 64y cube can be represented as y. But here the 64 should be the cube of some other number. For example, I know 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So here the cube root of 64 is 4, right? So 4 is going to be the cube root of 64. So cube root of 64 is 4, and that is why I am going to utilize here 4 by the whole cube. Now this is going to be our A and this is going to be our B. So shall we substitute and just see? So by substituting, A as x and b as 4y, let us solve this algebraic expression now. We have x cube plus 64y cube, right? So that is equal to a plus b we have to find out. So a is x plus b is 4y into ab. What you have? You have a and a square. So here x the whole square minus a into b. So x into b is 4y plus b square is 4y the whole square. So that is what we have got now. We are going to simplify this. Let us do it. Here x plus 4y into x square. So let me remove those brackets first. X plus 4y into x is x square minus into plus is minus 4 into x into 4y is 4xy plus 4y into 4y is 4 4s are 16y square. So it is 16y square. So I have got the factors, two factors I have. So once I get the two factors, I get the answer now. The factors of x cube plus 64 4y cube is equal to x plus 4y and x square minus 4xy plus 16y square. So this will be our answer. Now let us continue with the second one. Factorize 125p cube plus q cube. Right, as we know the formula, let us apply the formula which we know already. That is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Right? While we apply this formula, I know a cube is 125 p cube plus q cube is b cube. Okay, so b cube is p cube and a cube is 125 p cube. Here too we have to find out the cube of the number which is the cube root of 125 p cube. So if this is a cube, then this coefficient should have its a number whose cube is 125. I know 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. These are the factors, right? So 125. So cube root of 125 is equal to 5. I know that now. So here this can be written as represented by 5p the whole cube, which will be considered as a cube plus q cube will be q the whole cube. Because why we need to find out this? I need to know a and b because I need to substitute the values for a and b from the given expression. So let us find out. Let us substitute and then factorize. Substituting. Now when we substitute, our a will be equal to, here a is 5p and of course b is equal to q. So we are going to substitute a as 5p and b as q. Let us see what we get. Right. So here we have 125p cube plus q cube can be represented in the given form. A plus b here, a is 5p plus b is q into a square. A square is 5p the whole square minus 5p into q plus q the whole square. That is what I have substituted. Now let us simplify this further. So that is equal to, see that the equal to sign is below this. This means 125p cube plus q cube equal to. So left hand side is not going to change here. So we are going to simplify only the right hand side of the equal to sign. So let us do it. So 5p plus q as it is into 5p into 5p. So this is, let me just expand this so that we will not go wrong. Okay, 5p into 5p is 5p square minus 5 into pq is 5pq plus q into q. Right? So I have just expanded a little so that I will not go wrong here. Okay, so always see that you try to simplify it while expanding. You have to see to it that you multiply the coefficients properly of the given variables. Not only that, even the number of variables should be correctly simplified. Okay, so let us, that is why I have shown you this kind of expansion here. Right, let us now simplify 5p plus q into 5 5s are 25p into p square. So it is 25p square minus, I have minus sign, so 5p cube, 5p cube plus q into q is q square. And I have finished with these two factors, so I have finished factorizing. Therefore, the factors of 125 p cube plus q cube is equal to these two factors 5p plus q into 25p square minus 5p cube plus q square. That will be my answer. Thank you all of you.